Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hi friends, in this lecture we will see how to rename data frame column names in Pyspark. So just walk through the code. There are multiple options to rename the columns in Pyspark. So I'm going to show you two options. So likewise, what we did in previous session, first we are going to create a data frame. So let's go ahead and create the data frame first and show the data frame. So to describe a table in RDBMS, we are going to find describe table, which is going to show us column name, data type, whether the column is nullable or not. The same way in Pyspark we have print schema. So it is going to display as column names. So it is going to show that data type, then nullable equal to true. So this column can accept nullable values, right? So here column names are my _1, _2, _3. Now we are going to convert these three columns into a meaningful column name. So first I'm going to be importing these functions. Then I'm going to apply my select on this data frame. So select column, the first column is going to be renamed as name. Second column is going to rename as salary, and third column is going to be renamed as department. So just try to execute this piece of command. Now go ahead and display your print schema. See here, the first column name _1 is got renamed to name. The second one is going to be salary. Third one is going to be department. So this is one of the way we are going to rename the column name. The second way is we are going to converting our data frame into a table. So we are going to register data frame as table. This data frame is going to be creating as a table EMP. So just try to execute this command now. Right. Now apply select query on this EMP like how we are going to do in the SQL. Select star from EMP. Dot show is mandatory to display the records. See here, now column names are _1, _2, _3. Now we are going to convert these column names into meaningful column names. So how we are going to do in SQL? Select column as alias name, column and alias name, column and alias name. The same way we can do in SQL context of SQL. So just try to execute this command. See here, that got executed, and let's display the schema now. So to display a schema, we are going to apply print schema. See here, the DF2 which got converted is now have some meaningful column names, name, salary, and department. Now just try to display records in DF2. See here, now we can see name, salary, department, and respective records. So this is how we are going to rename data frame column names in Pyspark. Thank you guys.